And just like that, let's make another DIY using this container. I just spray painted in white. And then after that, I'm gonna use two of these solar lights from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna take the bottom part out of this one, and from the other one, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the sticker out. It comes out pretty simple, and then I'm going to attach the other part inside, just like that. After that, you're gonna take your hot glue and put enough hot glue. Make sure to put enough because this one you need to attach it very good. This is what's gonna hold it everything together. So after you attach it like that, make sure to put more hot glue all the way around it to attach it in place. Then I took this clear plate. I'm not gonna do the front, but I'm going to spray paint the back of the plate just like that. And then I'm gonna do that because I'm gonna put food we don't want in the spray paint. It's not food, we don't know if it's food safe. So then I took one of these fluorofoam and I'm going to use these pieces. So I'm gonna put some hot glue and attach it to the ball like that. So I'm going to continue putting fluorofoam all the way around the containers. Then as you can see, the other one didn't fit, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it into a smaller piece so it could fit in the other side, but it wasn't tall enough, so I'm gonna take another piece and place it on top so it could be level up. Then I took these little branches. I'm gonna take it apart. I'm gonna take the top part out and I'm going to place a flower inside like that. Then I'm just going to go ahead and bend it a little bit, just make it short, whatever height you would like it to be, and then just place it inside just like that. And then after that, I'm going to continue placing different flowers all the way around it. I'm going to do the branches as well, and then just fill it up until you are done doing the whole thing like that. Then after that, take your plate that you spray painted in the back and you're going to put some hot glue. Like I said, make sure to use a stronger glue, not just hot glue, so it can attach perfectly. Then go ahead and put your plate on top just like that. Then after that, you're gonna grab a few of these little pink roses, place it in there, grab your cupcake, and this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. Something so simple and easy that you guys can do at home. Now for the next DIY or next idea, I'm gonna take the same containers. I'm just gonna go ahead and as you can see the bottom part right there on that side, I'm gonna take one of these fluorofoam, but before that I'm gonna put some hot glue all the way around it in the little light like that. Then I'm gonna put some hot glue on the fluorofoam in the inside just to attach it good into place. Then go ahead and place it down like that. Just press it down and place it inside. Then I'm gonna take the top of this, put some in the light, some hot glue, and then attach it to the insides of the fluorofoam like that, and then put your cupcake. And I changed the flowers in here as you guys can see. So this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. I did a different color flowers to give you a different look or an idea that you guys can do. I think this is so beautiful. This is gonna be for a wedding centerpiece, for your cupcake, for cookie, whatever you're going to display. I think this is great. You could also have it for your home when you have family over. This is a cute way to display your food, not just cupcake. Like let me show you. So I just went ahead and took a little cup and put some cheese in it and then some chips, and this is how it turns out. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nolly.